Good. Oh, your key works?
Did it die? Oh.
No, it opened.
See, it's broke like this.
Oh, wow.
That's what that is.
That's funny. So this still works technically.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Let's start working on it. 2020 Jeep Cherokee, right?
Yep.
She got it from Carvana. Look at the key they gave her. There's a guy on TikTok that I'm friends with that he did a job, and he was saying that the cars that come from the auction are messed up. It ain't just the auction ones that are messed up. Now that looks like an OEM key too, so
I know.
It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, Lily. Did you get off the bus?
No, it's aftermarket. Okay. All right, this is how I do this car. It's a 2020 Jeep Cherokee. I plug in. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm plugged into the green bar back here. Hoping you guys can see it. Passenger side. And I'm just using an outside power to power the J-Box. And I'll just do all this from the passenger side. Oh, her car's stuck in run. What the heck? How's your car in run? That's weird. Does the car have power? Uh-oh. No power. Maybe they disconnected it or something. Let me see. Let me take this out. Hold on. Whoop.
They wouldn't have unlocked the door inside, but when the door inside was still open.
Oh yeah, how was that? No, I heard it clicking. But your yeah, but your flashes don't come on. Your hazards are not coming on at all. These are not coming on. Wait, let me see, because it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Yeah. I think it was just dead. Let's see, we got a Cherokee. 2020 fob key. Yes. Gotta get on the Wi-Fi. I'm already on it. Right there. See if we can communicate better. Okay, we're gonna go control unit, read password, ignition off, hazards on. Reading password is not supported. Let's try again. Let's go back. Didn't say anything about the green bar. Usually it'd tell you. So we'll try regular. Just had that happen before recently. Okay. So this reading is wrong because I'm using outside power. I did not have enough power on the car. Okay. I'm in the right. I'm definitely in the right one. Come on now. Why isn't that reading? All right, was not reading with the other machine, so we're just gonna go right to the Smart Pro. Jeep Cherokee. We got a Fabric. This one might just bypass it, which I guess is fine too. Program keys. Please remove it. Okay. In the lock position. Okay. Looks like it's going to bypass the pen read. Okay, looks like it took this one. Now I'm going to do another one without disconnecting. Should not charge me another token. Yes, use it. It won't give me the PIN code, but oh well. I was gonna read the PIN code with this machine and then program it with that one, but it's okay. It only charged me one token for everything, so we're good. I'm gonna leave it running for a minute because her battery was dead. All right, buttons programmed at the same time. Let's leave it running. Anyway, that's where your star connector is, underneath the glove box in the back on the bottom. Smart thing is, you on this cable, you don't you break this piece off, and then you don't have to like bother fighting it to come out. So anyway, all right, we're gonna pick this. Doesn't matter which way I go because I'm gonna cut the keys. For you guys that don't know how to leashy, you gotta check which side it's on. So if 2 is bouncing, then it's gonna be 2, and then 3 is up top, 4 is bouncing on the bottom. And it'll be 1, 1, 1, 1. Pick the pressure, and then you check it. Just number 2. If it's bouncing, you don't pick it. Leave it alone. It's already picked. 3 is bouncing. 4, pick it. Now it's bouncing. That's good. 5, bouncing. 6. Pick it, now it's bouncing. 7, bouncing. 8, bouncing. Don't go all the way down, just keep right where you're at. Because once it's bouncing, you're good. 2, pick it now. Bouncing. 3, picked, bouncing. 4 is bouncing. 5, pick it, bouncing. 6, bouncing. 7, pick, bouncing. That's it, you're done. Unlocked. Read it. One finger. If you use more than one finger, you are using too much pressure, and then you're not going to read it right. So one finger. We're going to go down. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Do that again. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. I knew that last one was a 4. I was going to actually tell you before I even got there because that's why I never really have to pick it. The ones that are 4, you typically won't have to pick it off. We'll cut that. And we are out of here. So the key length. 8 cut. So the first cut is blank, but we don't care because we're not doing the ignition key. So go direct. We're going to do 1 for the first one, blank, and then 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 4. Cut that. Didn't really cut anything. It did, maybe it'll work. I might have to put that back on the cutter again. I didn't put it in the right spot. That could happen. Cutting the other side now for that first side that's kind of shallow. But there's only a few cuts in it. Looks the same.
Yeah, that's
There you go. And that's it.